Today's topic might surprise you. Your job might actually be harming your fertility. Yes, certain careers are scientifically linked to reduced sperm count, lower motility, and even damaged sperm DNA. So if you're planning to have kids someday or just want to protect your reproductive health, you're going to want to hear this. Why jobs matter for sperm health. Before we jump into the list, let's understand the science. Sperm production is a delicate process. It depends on hormone balance, body temperature, circulation, and your overall health. And guess what? Many modern jobs disrupt these factors, sometimes without you even realizing. 10 jobs that kill sperm. 1. Desk jobs. Office workers sitting for hours every day increases scrotal temperature and restricts blood flow. Both can reduce sperm production and lower testosterone. Add poor diet and stress? You've got a fertility triple threat. 2. Truck drivers. Truck drivers face extended sitting, cabin heat, engine vibrations, and stress. That combo? It's brutal on sperm count. 3. Welders. Metal workers. High exposure to heat, heavy metals, and fumes like cadmium and lead, all proven to damage sperm DNA. 4. Chemical factory workers working with solvents, pesticides, or industrial cleaners. Many of these are endocrine disruptors. They mimic hormones, damaging your natural testosterone and sperm. 5. IT tech workers. Laptops directly on your lap can raise scrotal temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Add blue light exposure, poor sleep, and EMF, electromagnetic fields. Potential reproductive risk. 6. Firefighters. Constant heat exposure and toxic smoke inhalation can impact sperm health. Some studies even link firefighting to higher rates of infertility. 7. Construction workers. Heavy lifting causes repeated strain and overheating. Plus, you may be around solvents, paint fumes, or lead-based dust. 8. Salon workers. Hairdressers. Hair dyes, perms, and styling sprays often contain phthalates and formaldehyde, both of which disrupt sperm development. 9. Airline pilots. Flight crew. Frequent exposure to cosmic radiation and irregular circadian rhythms may reduce fertility over time. 10. Lab technicians. Exposure to formaldehyde, radiation, and biohazards puts sperm quality at risk, especially over long periods. How to protect your fertility at work. Take breaks from sitting. White heavy checkmark. Wear loose-fitting underwear. White heavy checkmark. Eat foods that support sperm production, like eggs, spinach, salmon, walnuts. White heavy checkmark. Take antioxidants, vitamin C, zinc, CoQ10. White heavy checkmark. Get enough sleep. White heavy checkmark. Avoid overheating, stay cool, avoid hot tubs. White heavy checkmark. Hydrate well and detox regularly. When to get checked. If you and your partner have been trying for over 12 months with no success, get a semen analysis.